This is using formulas. Formulas might look like equations, and we'll use equation techniques to often rearrange formulas. But usually, for a formula, we can just plug in our values and simplify. So for example, if we want to find the area of a rectangle, we know the area of a rectangle equals length times width. So in this case, if we have a width of 3 inches and a length of 5 inches, the area will just be 5 times 3 equals 15. So let's try it with an area of a rectangle that has width 2 and length 7. So we know our equation is area equals length times width. Let's see, so find the area of a rectangle that has width 2, so that means W is going to equal 2, and length equals 7. So coming back over to my formula, area is going to equal L. L is 7 times my width, which is 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. In my next example, the area of a rectangle is 10. So area equals 10. The width equals 2. And we want to find the length. So I don't know what the length is. So let's set this up. So area equals length times width. So the area equals 10. So I'm going to plug in 10 for the area. Length, we don't know what the length is. And width is 2. So notice this one was a little bit different. Now it looks like an equation. Because we knew the area, we're trying to find L, so we're going to have to use it like an equation, and we'll have to solve for L. This is L times 2, so I could just divide both sides by 2. And so then I will get L equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. So here's the formula that we use in this class. Z equals X minus mu over sigma. Now, this mu is just kind of a fancy sign, and sigma is just a fancy sign. It won't affect us plugging things in. But if you want to know, this is Greek. We call it mu. And this is Greek. We call it sigma. So if X equals 7.2 and mu equals 15 and sigma equals 4.2, let's find Z. So Z equals X minus mu over sigma. So in our case, X is 7.2, mu is 15, sigma is 4.2. We put this in our calculator, we get negative 1.8571. What if we have that same formula, but we want to find X? So notice we're going to actually know Z, but we're going to have to find X, so this will be another equation problem. So let's plug everything in. So Z equals 1.3. So 1.3 equals X, which we don't know. Mu equals 15. Sigma equals 4.2. And we need to solve now for X. Let's see, right now, it's like you have parentheses around the top, so I can't do anything to that yet. This is divide by 4.2, so I could times both sides by 4.2. So 4.2 times 1.3 equals 5.46 equals X minus 15. And then we could just add 15 to both sides and bring it over here. So I'm going to get X equals 5.46 plus 15 should be 20.46.